boys and girls, it's Miss Campbell. Every day I take my dog Max on a walk. This week, when we went on our walks, I collected data. When I got home, I organized the data into different types of graphs. In this video, we're going to discuss these graphs. Some of the questions I ask, you could just answer, but some of them, it would be great if you followed along using paper and something to write with. Press pause and get those things. On the first walk we took this week, I looked at the doors of all the houses. Many of them were blue or brown, so I counted how many blue doors I saw and how many brown doors I saw. Then I organized it using what is this called? A T-chart. What goes on the top of a graph? The title. This title is Number of Blue and Brown Doors. On this side are the blue doors I saw, and on this side are the brown doors I saw. I labeled the tops of each column with blue or brown. How many blue doors did I see? I saw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's write a 7 on our paper. How many brown doors did I see? I saw 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's write a 4 over here on our paper. Which number was greater? 7 was greater. Let's draw the greater than symbol. The alligator wants to eat the 7 because it's bigger. Let's read it. 7 is greater than 4. Now my next question is, how many more blue doors are there than brown? So one strategy we could use is make partners. So those are partners, those are partners, those are partners, and those are partners, but that one doesn't have a partner. So there's 1, 2, 3. 3 more blue doors than brown. There are a lot of blue doors in my neighborhood. I could also do a number sentence with that. I could do 7 take away 4. I could do 7 fingers and take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are left? 3. 7 take away 4 equals 3. There are 3 more blue doors than brown doors. That's very interesting. Maybe the next time you go on a walk, you could collect some data, see how many blue or brown doors your neighborhood has. So the next day that I went on a walk, I decided to keep track of the cars that drove past me. I saw 3 main colors. I saw black, white, and gray. How did I organize this graph? I organized them with 3 columns. And what goes on the top? The title. The title is Color of Cars That Drove Past Me. Just by looking at it, which one do you think had the most? Well, let's find out if you're right. Let's start with black. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's write a 7 on our paper. How many white cars were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, let's write a 6 over here. And gray. How many gray cars were there? 1, 2, 3. Let's write a 3. We have a couple of different ways that we can compare these. So first of all, tell me, which number was the greatest? 7. 7 what? 7 black cars. All right, so let's write that 7. Let's compare the 7 and the 6. So we're going to write the greater than symbol. Ready? Let's read it. 7 is greater than 6. Now let's compare the 6 white cars to the 3 gray cars. Which one was bigger? 6 was bigger, right? Let's read that. 6 is greater than 3. Okay, I'm going to ask one challenging question. How many more white cars are there than gray cars? These two are partners, these two are partners, and these are partners, but these cars don't have a partner. So there are 1, 2, 3 more white ones. What number sentence could we write? We could write 6, take away 3 equals 6, take away 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. We were right. There are 3 more white cars than gray cars. Very good. On my next walk, I looked at the dogs that I saw and their sizes. I kept track of how many big dogs, medium dogs, and small dogs. What goes on the top of our graph? A title. The title of this graph is Sizes of Dogs on My Walk. All right, so let's take a look. How many big dogs did I see? I saw 1, 2, 3, 4. I saw 4 big dogs. Let's write a 4. And how many medium dogs did I see? I saw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's write a 7. And how many small dogs did I see? I saw 1, 2. Let's write a 2. Now let's look. Which one did I see the most of? Medium. I saw the most medium dogs. Which one did I see the fewest? Small dogs. I only saw 2 small dogs. So let's compare. Out of 4 and 7, which one is greater? 7 is greater. So I'm going to write the less than symbol. Let's read it. 4 is less than 7. Now let's compare the medium and small dogs. Which number is bigger? The 7 is bigger. Let's read it. 7 is greater than 2. Okay, here is my challenge question. How many more big dogs than small dogs? So we have partners, but these two don't have partners. So there's 2 more big dogs. What number sentence could we write to show that? Well, there are 4 big dogs, and we're going to take away how many little dogs? 2. 4 take away 2 equals 2. That's some interesting information. All right, let's move on. And today on my walk, I looked at the flowers that were on my street. These were different bushes or plants that had flowers on them. So on my graph, I organized it by the 3 main colors, yellow, pink, and purple. What goes on the top of my graph? My title. My title is Flowers on My Street. All right, so how many yellow flowers did I see? I saw 4 yellow flowers. Let's write a 4. How many pink flowers did I see? I saw 6 pink flowers. Let's write a 6. And how many purple flowers did I see? I saw 3. Which did I see the fewest of? I saw the fewest purple flowers. That's the fewest that I saw. So when I compare these numbers, out of 4 and 6, which number is greater? 6 is greater, so we need to write the less than symbol. Let's read it. 4 is less than 6. Now, which one is greater, 6 or 3? 6 is greater. 6 is greater than 3. All right, so let's compare pink and yellow flowers. How many more pink flowers than yellow flowers? We could do the buddy system strategy. Those are buddies, 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 buddies. These two don't have buddies, so there's 2 more pink flowers than yellow flowers. So if I write a number sentence, it would be 6 take away 4 equals. So I could try 6 take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? 2. We were right. There are 2 more pink flowers than yellow flowers. You can go and create your own graphs. Go on a walk and look for things and keep track. Or you could ask people in your family things that they like, such as, do you like orange popsicles or grape popsicles better? Or do you like bananas or strawberries better? Or you could say, do you like cats, dogs, or fish better? There's lots of questions you can ask. Go and practice making some surveys and then turn them into graphs. If you make any graphs, take a picture of them and send them to your teacher.